Security of code repositories. What is source code? In computing, source code is any collection of code, possibly with comments, written using a human-readable programming language, usually as plain text. The source code of a program is specially designed to facilitate the work of computer programmers, who specify the actions to be performed by a computer mostly by writing source code. The source code is often transformed by an assembler or compiler into binary machine code that can be executed by the computer. The machine code might then be stored for execution at a later time. Alternatively, source code may be interpreted and thus immediately executed. Repository refers to a central place where data is stored and maintained. A source code repository is an archive with the code as well as the hosting facility for these software. Source code repositories, including GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, SourceForge, and others, confidentiality, integrity, and availability need to consideration when determining the best method to protect your source code. Security challenges in use of code repositories. Internal threats including disgruntled employees, careless actors, contractors. External threats such as hackers. Ransomware. Denial of service. Disclosure or theft of sensitive data or intellectual property. Destruction of sensitive data or intellectual property.